Video.
10.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video about the most asked question on the net, how to make money online. Now this video is like no other video. Seriously, this is an opportunity knocking on your doorstep. Therefore, it is your responsibility to make this video viral in order for it to reach the biggest number of people around the world. This is some serious stuff. It is an opportunity. Don't waste it. And without further ado, let's get right to it. This is the website that I want to share with you. I'm going to leave you the link in the description. Once you click on the link, a new tab will open and you will see that the name of the site is cryptotabbrowser.com, and what it is just another browser, just like the browsers that you are using, whether you're using Google Chrome or Firefox or any other browser. The only difference here, guys, is that with this browser you actually can make money. And not just any money, you can make tons of money. Now, therefore, please stay tuned for everything that I have to tell you. Watch the video till the end. Honestly, this is an opportunity that is not going to come across every day. Therefore, follow the instructions step by step. The first thing that you will be doing is you download it, and once the download is complete, you just follow the instructions. It is going to ask you to provide your email address, which is a Gmail. You have to provide your Gmail account. If you don't have one, then just make one. And after that, it is going to request from you to verify your email address. So you go to your email, verify it, and then after that it is going to ask you to make the CryptoTab browser as your main browser. And then that's basically it. That's the end of the road. But how do you make money? This is exactly what I will be explaining to you in a second. Now, I already have downloaded it, and it's been running for the past 2 days. So I'm going to go straight to my tab. And here you can see this is my tab, and it's running in the background. All what you need to do is you go here. You can see the mining speed here is off, and here is the maximum. Just click on the maximum and let it run in the background. Now, in order for you to understand what it does, you guys are actually using the internet on a daily basis, right? Now, whether you are surfing the net, whether you're watching a video, watching a movie, shopping, whatever you do, you're spending time on the internet. So rather than spending it for nothing, here you are spending it and making money. How does it work? When you use the CryptoTab browser, you are actually mining in the background Bitcoin. Now, for you who do not have enough information about Bitcoin, please make a research. It is a cryptocurrency. It is actually the most expensive cryptocurrency in the market. For Bitcoin, as of today, is $47,740. But this is not our topic of today. The topic is how do you actually make money out of using the CryptoTab. Again, once you are using the CryptoTab, you are searching the internet, which you do anyway. Now, whether you use the tab or you don't use the tab, you can actually use it in the background. Leave it open in the background and it does the work for you. It does the mining. But if you depend on your machine itself, by machine I mean your equipment, your device, whether it's a computer or a desktop or your laptop or your tablet, it doesn't matter. If you depend on that by itself, it's not going to make you money. Really, that's really a pure fact. You're just making sense. Now, for instance, in the past 2 days, this is the number that I made. It's equivalent to $0.020. It is really nothing. So where is the money then? Here comes the good part, guys. You have here something that's called a link ID. This is your affiliate link. You just click here on copy link and you share it with others. So what kind of difference does that make? I'll show you guys. Click on the affiliate dashboard, go to about, and then let's scroll down. This is you. This is your personal link. Now, if you share your link with the first level, okay, so you're making, you sent the link to 5 people, all right? Now, from these 5 people, you are making 15%. Now, these 5 people also invite further 5 people. That's level 2. And then you get 10% out of that. And that goes all the way down to level 10, where you are making 0.0625%. But still, it doesn't answer the question, how much money are you really making? Let's make a calculation. Let's say the number of users you invited by you is 5. And the friends that they also invited is 5. Let's make the calculation. All right, let's go here. So you only invited 5 people, so your estimated income is $3 a month. That's nothing, right? But you remember, you are not making these $3 anyway per month. You are not making them. You're just using the internet without making any money. Now, those 5 people, they invited other 5 people, so they became 25. So your estimated income is $10. Those 25 people, each one of them invited 5, so the total of people is 125 people. So your earning is $25, and so on and so forth, up to level 10. If this number of people are already under your link, and each one of them has exactly the same, then your income is approximately $24,000 a month. This is insane money, guys, and all you need to do is to just let the crypto tab run in your background. It can't get any easier than this. All right, now let's go and calculate it, that if you really reach the maximum number. You invited 10, and each one of those 10 also invited 10. Calculate my income. Guys, you can make $25 million a month. But of course, by that time, you also have under your link 10 billion people. But there are no 10 billion people, right? There are no 10 billion people in the world. So where's the trick here? Actually, there is a very nice trick, guys, and this is what I will be sharing with you next. Let's go back here to the dashboard. Okay, this is the main link right here. This is my main link, the one that I will be sharing with you. Once I have already, let's say, 10 people, and I have the maximum level, I actually can make another link. See here, you just click on add link. You give it a name, you give it a comment. I'm not going to do that right now, but because I created one already. And so here, for example, this is my second link. So you can copy it and you can share it with others, so they will have other 10 people. Then you make another link. It is open for you guys. You can make as many links as you want, and every link you can have 10 people. Honestly, if you think about it, you can make tons of money for just promoting the Crypto Tab affiliate, where you are not requested to work anything. You are just as normal, sitting behind your computer, watching and doing whatever you're doing, and let your machines work for you. That's basically it. So as you have seen, it is really possible to make money online from one single website. It is pretty easy, simple, straightforward. It's not complicated. It's not rocket science. Let your device make the money for you. You are spending hours and hours online every day, regardless what you use the internet for. Whether you are working, whether you are entertaining yourself, watching videos, do shopping, doing research, whatever, the browser in the background is doing the work for you. However, if you are depending on your device only, then you are really not making any money. you are making sense only, and that it's not worth it. But when is it worth it? It's when you start referring your link to others and they use it. Then you're starting taking percentage out of what they are doing, and they are online anyway. So basically it's a win-win situation for everyone. If you think this is an overnight scheme getting rich, then definitely that is not the case. This is a long time project and not a short time project. You have to remember that you have to exert efforts in order for your referral link to reach as many people as possible. And you also have to encourage them doing the same. If you want to reach the financial freedom of having $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month, that is very possible, but you have to work on that. You really have to exert an effort. But on the other side, or on the other hand, you're just sitting and doing your daily tasks anyway, and the machines that you are using, the devices that you are using, they are the ones doing the work for you in the end. Now you might even ask yourself the following question, but then how is this even possible? How is this not a scam? Well, it's pretty simple. They are not giving you money for free. They are using your devices for mining. You know, when you do Bitcoin mining, it requires energy. Now your devices are being used as energy producing machines. So they are actually making money out of you as well. They are not giving you free money at all. So they are just giving you a fraction of what you're actually mining. But again, it's a win-win scenario. So it can't get any easier than that. Honestly, think about it. You do what you do on a daily basis, but now you're getting paid instead of not being paid at all. Again, it is your responsibility to make this video viral. It is your responsibility to share it with as many people as you can. And if you need any more or further information, leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, to like, make your comments. The most important thing is share it with as many people as possible and start earning your money today. Until our next video, I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and see you next time.
Don't forget
to subscribe to subscribe to subscribe